Hello guys, I have already applied my foundation and all the other requirements. If you want to see it, I have posted a video regarding it on my channel. First one is how to apply thin eyeliner. Second one, I will start applying my liner from the middle and make wings without filling them. Liquid eyeliner is really comfortable for me. You can use gel eyeliner if you are comfortable with that. Third one, I will show you how to apply thick liner. I have one trick. You can apply a tape on both the sides so that you can get a perfect wing. If you are a beginner, you should definitely try this.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of the videos. Also, whatever products I've used are in the description box. Do check it out.